Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Who's Gonna Tell Them by Marvin Winans, and that is in the key of F. And this song was requested by Tommy Hicks. Thank you so much, Tommy, for giving this awesome song to work on today. To kick things off, I got to show you what I'm working with. Yep, you see it, I got it. I have my coffee on today. Guys, I would love it if you go to your favorite refrigerator, open it up, grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, sit down and learn with your favorite instructor in the whole wide world, AK, on today. All right, guys, we're in the key of F. Let's get it. That's F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. And of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. We have the great, honorable Bishop Marvin L. Winans in the building. He's bringing his awesome voice. And guys, we're going to go ahead and crack our knuckles like we always do. And we're going to stretch them out. And I think we're ready. We're ready. All right, let's get it. Bishop Marvin Winans.
Who's gonna tell them Jesus loves them? Who's gonna tell them there's a better way? And who's gonna warn them of the things coming on them so God can turn their nights today? I'm gonna say it again, I'm gonna say it. Who's gonna tell them Jesus loves him? Who's gonna tell him there's a better way? Who's gonna warn them of the things coming on them so God can turn their night today? Somebody's gotta warn them. Somebody's gotta tell them. Would you help me say somebody? Somebody's gotta warn them. Oh, yeah, somebody gotta tell them. Somebody's gotta tell them. So I want to ask you, wherever you are, who's gonna tell them? Who's gonna tell them? Jesus loves them. Who's gonna tell them? There's a better way.
That was Who's Gonna Tell Them by Bishop Marvin Winans. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. It starts off with Who's gonna tell them Jesus loves them? Who's gonna tell them there's a better way? All right, let me give you that. So we're starting out on the 1. We're playing this regular F major chord, going to our C major chord on the 7. Then we're going to the 6, regular F major chord. So right here we're on the 1 and we're playing an F dominant 7 chord. Who's gonna tell them? All right, what is that? That's 4. We're playing an F6 chord, going over here to the F2 chord on the 3. There's a okay, so we're doing this nice movement here. We're playing an E minor chord, moving it down to a B augmented chord, and then we're going to a G major chord, and all of that is over the 2. And then we're going to the 5, and we're playing a G minor chord, resolved with the C dominant 7 chord. Then we're going, who's gonna warn them of the things coming on them? All right, very easy. We're doing the same thing almost. We're playing the F major chord on the 1. We're changing right here on the 3, and we're playing this D flat 7 flat 5 chord. Then we're going to our 6, and we're playing this F major chord. I love this chord, guys. This is beautiful. This is a F13 chord on the 1, and then we're going to turn my night into day. All right, so we're just playing a B flat major chord on the 2. Going to the 5, we're playing a B flat 7 chord today, and we're on the 1. And then, of course, that's an F major chord. And guys, they're doing this nice turnaround. All right, we got to get that. What is that? That's a B flat 2 chord on the 6. Then we're going to the 7, and we're playing a C2 chord, and then start all over. All right, now there's a special that they're doing. They're going, somebody's gotta warn them. Somebody gotta tell them. All right, what is that? So we're on the 7. We're playing our G minor chord. Then we're going to our D flat diminished 7 chord on the 3. Beautiful F7 chord on the 6. We're going to a regular C chord on the 5. And then we're playing an F6 chord on the 4. Then we just repeat that like 4 times. To come out of it, we'll... All right, what is that? We're playing a G minor chord on the 2. Going to the 3, and we're playing an F major chord. All right, we're playing this nice B flat 6 chord on the 4. Just walk up, that's the 5 flat. And then we're playing this chord right here. It's pretty much the same chord, the B flat 6 chord, but we're just adding that C. And then we start over. Guys, I hope this was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is overcoming heights one laugh at a time. When I was a kid, I had a bit of a fear of heights. One day, my family went to Six Flags with a family friend named Kurt, a fearless, spontaneous guy who never seemed afraid of anything. He convinced my brother and me to go on an airplane-themed ride that soared high in the sky. His confidence rubbed off on me, and I found myself less scared than usual. So I agreed to ride with him. As we climbed higher and higher, his hat flew off, and he started pretending to chase after it like he was about to jump. It was so ridiculous that we couldn't stop laughing, and soon the whole ride cracked up. I learned that sometimes facing your fear is easier when you're surrounded by people who make you feel brave. I also learned that laughter can turn a scary moment into a memory you'll never forget. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and learning with me on today. And thank you again, Tommy, for giving us an awesome song. You brought it today. Thank you so much. Guys, this is the time of the video that we tell you that, yep, I heard you say it, we're on the road to 1 million. And of course, this cannot be done without you telling your friends, your loved ones about this channel. Guys, I would love it if you go and check out Facebook. We are Numerical Melodies on Facebook. And that's me playing all of the songs I love to hear and play. And I have not posted lately. I need to post something for you guys. Just leave me a comment and I will learn the song that you want me to play. And of course, that's viewers' request. Guys, check it out, Numerical Melodies on Facebook. And of course, we have a bell. Hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And of course, right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Some people say it takes 3 seconds to hit, and I believe it does. I bet you won't hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit the bell. Thank you. You just made my day and my week and my month and my year. Guys, you're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.